So introduce yourself.
Sir, myself Manjit. I am from Delhi, and I have completed my post graduation from in 2021, and I'm now doing the automation course from the Grotechminds.
So
Uh,
tell
uh,
how.
uh,
Okay. Continue
actually,
your
sir,
introduction.
I am from the non-IT sector. I am from the commerce stream. I have just joined because I want to learn something new in this field. That's all, sir.
Okay. Tell how Java internally works.
Sir, Java internally work. So whenever we write the code in a human understandable language, but our operating system not understand, because our operating system is understand only the binaries language. That's why we need the compilation and interpretation. So compilation and interpretation, the compilation, um, having the syntax and the rules. So uh, if any violation is occur, so it will be the runtime error, and compilation have translate the .java class file to the .class file, and interpretation has convert the .class file to the binary, and that will be, output will be the 0 to 1, between 0 to 1.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay. What is main method?
So main method is a public static voids main. Public is a access specifier. Access specifier having the four types is access specifier, and public, private, protect, and default. Static is a access modifier. Void is a return type. Main is a our main method. So whatever we can write in a parameterized form, this is our main method, sir.
Okay. So what is the method overloading?
So method overloading, developing a multiple method with the same name but different argument list. So it's called as a method overloading. Different argument list, I can say number of occurrence, types of argument, list of arguments, and we can create static methods, non-static methods, but we need to creating an object for the non-static methods, and because and the for the static methods we can directly call it by just its name. It's called as a method overloading, sir.
Okay. Can we overload main method?
Can we overload my main method? Yes, sir, with a different argument list.
Okay. What is constructor?
What is constructor? So constructor is a special type of a character or the which does not have any return type, and we need to create an object for calling the constructor, and it is just like the non-static form. So it is a constructor.
What is constructor overloading?
Constructor overloading, developing a multiple constructor with a different argument list is a constructor overloading.
Okay. What is inheritance?
Inheritance, I can say inheritance means inheriting the property from one class to the another. Inheritance, or it is a five types of single inheritance, multi inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, or hybrid inheritance. That's it, sir.
Okay. Explain each of those inheritance.
Single level inheritance, inheriting the property from from a parent, inheriting the property from one parent, inheriting the property from one class to the another. It means inheriting the property, single child inheriting the property, sir, in that case, from their parents.
Okay.
Or multi,
Okay. Continue.
yes, sir. Oh, multi-level inheritance. So in that There are the stages like parent, child inheriting the property from the parents, parent inheriting the property from the grandparents. So that is called as a multi-level inheritance. Multiple level inheritance, in that case, the single child inheriting the property from their parents is called as a multiple level inheritance, or the multiple level inheritance can be achieved by a interface, or hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance means where the multiple child inheriting the property from the single parents, which having the different classes, is called as a hierarchical, or hybrid hybrid level of inheritance means it is a combination of single level, multi-level, single level, multi-level. Hierarchical level is called as inheritance.
So how, can we solve multiple level inheritance using class?
Again, sir, sorry.
And can we solve multiple level inheritance using class?
Yes, sir, by creating the relation,
By creating?
by creating the relation by the extent.
Okay. So what is the difference between global variable and local variable?
Yes, sir. So local variable is a variable which declare inside the method is called as a local variable. And so first of all, we need to initialize it first before using of it. It is necessary, and the scope of the local variable is that from the beginning of the method till end of the method, it is a local variable, and it does not have any its default value, or it can't be distinguished between the static and the non-static. Global variable. Global variable are those variable who declare outside the method but within a class. It is called as a global variable, and there is no need to initialize. We can use directly first, and the scope of the global variable is from the beginning of the method till end of the thing, and it has a default value, and it can be static or the non-static, or global variable is always indicated in the blue term. This is the global variable.
Okay. So what are the default values for data types in global variables?
Yes, sir. Sir, int, the default value of int is 0, and string is null, or double is a 0.0. Float is also 0.0, and boolean is,
Okay. Manjit, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Okay. So what is interface?
Yes, sir. So interface is used to achieve the 100% abstraction, and the multiple abstraction method is present inside the interface. So abstraction method is not required to write in front of the interface because it is already present. That's why in the interface, in the case of interface, for creating the relationship, we use the implements. Suppose uh, any abstract class or any interface class, so we have use implements. That's it.
Okay. So what is the difference between abstract methods and concrete methods?
Sir, concrete methods, first of all, we can create the relation between the concrete method or the abstract method by the way of extents, and concrete method which having the implementation, and abstract method, uh, concrete method can be the childless class, but abstract method can never be the childless class because it always be the parent or the grandparent class. Abstract method can have the concrete method and abstract method also. And
Okay. What is method overriding?
yes, method overriding. Developing a multiple method in the parent class with the same name and the signature. It's I can say it is a variable any method. So as of a child class with the different implementations is called as a method overriding, or method over. It is override only in the non-static method, and only in the non-static methods, and it is override only in the child class. And we in that case we also use of the super keywords that for calling the parent class, and it is also used in only the non-static methods for calling the parents method, sorry. And the super keyword is also used together with the non-static, or we can write it any inside the of the line of the non-static.
Okay. What is polymorphism?
So polymorphism is actually means when the same work is happening in a different ways. So when any object showing the different behavior at a different stages of life cycle, life cycles at the runtime is called as a polymorphism. It is a two types of runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. It is also compile time polymorphism is when any object showing the different behavior at a different stage of life cycle at the compile time is called as a compile time polymorphism, and runtime polymorphism is when any object showing the different behavior at a different stages of life cycle on the runtime. Uh, it is called as a runtime polymorphism,
Hmm.
and runtime can be achieved by the way of override method overriding, or compile time can be achieved by the method overloading. That is called as polymorphism.
What is the order of execution between SIB, IAB, constructor main method?
Sir, first of all, the execution will be SIB, main method, IIB, and the constructor.
Okay. So what is encapsulation?
Encapsulation, it means protecting the data member of class by using the by restricting the direct access, and it used the access specifier such as private, um, but it also provides some method, it is also provides some method to indirectly access for the getter and the setter method. These two methods are used for indirectly access, so it is called as a encapsulation.
Okay. Then what is exceptional handling?
Exception handling. So exception handling, first of all, it is used by the mainly it is used by the developer, but automation tester is also used. So whenever we getting an exception, we used of the try and the catches. So whenever you get an exception, it may be, suppose whenever we writing any code or the then try will never execute, catch will execute only. And if the exception is not coming, try automatically execute. And try is always follow the catch. And
Okay. So what is finally?
finally block. Finally block is a finally is also used in exception handling first of all, and it is used for a common purpose in a Java, and it is always executing.
Hmm.
It is not the same as like try if exception is coming, but if, final block is always execute with the catch.
Hmm. What is this keyword and this calling statement?
This keyword, so this keyword is used whenever we have the local variable and the global variable as of a same name or the same method. Then we used of the this keyword, or it is mainly used in an under the non-static method.
Hmm.
And the second thing, what sir?
This calling statement.
This calling statement. This calling statement is used to call the one constructor from another constructor. Is used. It is called as a this calling statement, and it is a it can be write as a explicitly. Explicitly means if we write in under the method, so it will be present or it will give the output. Otherwise not.
Hmm.
So it is a this calling statement.
Hmm. What is the range of a byte data type?
What is the range of byte of data type? Minus 128 to 127 plus 127.
Hmm. What is the formula to calculate range of data type?
Minus to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1.
And what is n?
N is this number of bytes. Size in number of bytes.
Okay. Write a program on a scanner to and find out the exception. Share your screen, open Eclipse.
Visible, sir?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I write any other program? I skip from the mind, sir.
Okay. No issues. Okay. Write a program on constructor where one main method, one constructor, two SIBs, two IABs, two static methods, two non-static methods.
Okay, sir. Sir, explain, sir, how many constructor
Okay.
I am writing?
Two constructor, one constructor,
Two constructor?
sorry, one constructor,
Yes, sir.
hmm, two SIBs,
Yes, sir.
two IABs,
Yes, sir.
three static methods,
Three static method.
yes,
Yes, sir.
and three non-static methods.
Okay, sir. Thank Done, sir.
Okay, so say tell you call all the methods inside the main method. Call everything.
Hello.
Hello. Share your screen. What happened?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, share your
Visible.
screen again. Share your screen again. Your program not visible.
Yes. I'm sharing, sir.
Now run.
Run.
Anything else left to write? Manjit,
Yes, sir.
over. Did you run the
Hello.
code? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you run the program.
I have run, sir.
Okay, so explain me the that output, the order of execution.
SIB, other SIB, first IIB, second IIB, constructor, automation, manual, software, mobile, tablet, and method.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, and you need preparation and have some patience.
Sir, actually, I was thinking that my time is gone, 11 am, so,
No, no,
and today is last day.
don't think like that because you have to have a patience that.
Sorry, sir. Again, sorry, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.